driving your SA Roadtrippers 4x4 in Namibia should be the most awesome experience. Having local mobile communication lets you stay in touch and share your experiences with friends and family back home, and it's also important in case of any unexpected emergencies. Here are some top tips for staying in contact and making your time driving in Namibia amazing. Mobile reception is widely available in Namibia by using a local SIM card. International roaming and data costs are very expensive. We highly recommend you always buy a local Namibian phone SIM card and local mobile package. It's really inexpensive, easy to install, and a big safety recommendation. Much of local communications in Namibia is done via WhatsApp. If you don't already have WhatsApp, be sure to install it before you visit. An important tip: you can keep your existing phone number with WhatsApp. WhatsApp will prompt you when installing the local SIM card. Do you want to keep your existing number? Say yes. Now your family, friends, business contacts, accommodation, activities, and most importantly SA Roadtrippers can all communicate with you via your home mobile number on WhatsApp. Namibia's local mobile or cellular network service provider is MTC. Look out for MTC shops at Windhoek Airport, in towns and fuel stations to purchase a local card and mobile package. The staff in the MTC shops will assist you to load the card and get the package working on your phone. A new local SIM card is only 10 Namibian dollars, which is less than €1. In Namibia, there is a very cost-effective cell package called Super Awe that works on a weekly basis. The weekly Super Awe package, which includes some local calls, WhatsApp messages and 3 GB of data, is only 65 Namibian dollars, around €4. You won't be able to phone back home on a Super Awe package. However, with a WhatsApp call, phoning home is possible when you're in cell reception area. You will need to renew the Super Awe package every week, on the same day it was purchased. This is easily done by purchasing a new 65 Namibian dollar voucher from the MTC machine and enter the voucher number. Should you require any assistance with a local phone card, our friendly Southern Africa Roadtrippers consultant at the depot will gladly assist you to get connected. Here's wishing you happy and safe road tripping. Make sure you watch our other useful tips videos to help you get the most from your road tripping holiday, and we'll see you soon.